Good Price TV. Subscribe now.
Carroll Shelby's own GT350H is making a beeline for closeout this month. The 1966 case filled in as Shelby's own auto in the wake of exchanging hands with two earlier proprietors. Presently it's available to be purchased through the Bond Homes sell-off January 18th in Scottsdale, Arizona. Shelby turned out various stunning machines through the span of his life. You have your Cobras and Daytona coupes. There are the GT350 and GT500 Mustangs, and you have an irregular grouping of little bunch works en route. When it came time to put an auto in his own particular carport, Shelby took a gander at the lineup of vehicles bearing his name and discovered one that fit. This 1966 Shelby GT350 isn't your standard rendition of the auto. This is the one with the additional little h toward the end. That is on the grounds that it was initially part of the keep running of autos conveyed to different Hertz auto rental areas to fill in as a lease racer. That's correct. Back in the late 1960s, you could walk around a Hertz dealership and head out in a Shelby tuned Mustang. After its strength as a rental auto, this Wimbledon white with Guardsman blue stripes GT350H found another home with a private proprietor. The auto soon exchanged hands once more, this opportunity to a proprietor who overhauled the auto. Parts from the overhauled GT350 were darted on, and they incorporated the wheels, oil weight and redesign attach measures, valve covers, radiator, a move bar, and a unique back spoiler. Carroll ran over the overhauled auto and metered it for himself. Shelby obtained the vehicle for individual use before giving it over to fill in as a showpiece at the Shelby Automobiles home office in Las Vegas. Presently it's going to Arizona to cross the closeout piece. Bond Homes anticipates that the GT350H will bring amongst $150,000 and $200,000. That is most likely a solid wager. Qualities for the normal Shelby GT350 fall in the lower bit of this range. Including possession via Carroll himself helps push the value somewhat higher, however not incredibly so. In any case, it should influence an incredible gathering to piece for any genuine Shelby fan on the chase for more muscle in the carport.